January 2026 is not just another anime season. It's a collision point, returning giants, long-awaited sequels, and studio pushing their limits at the same time. But on official announcements, production timelines, and reliable industry leaks, this month has the potential to reshape the entire year of the anime. And yes, it's that serious. Let's start with the heavyweight, JJK Season 3, the cooling game arc. This is where JJK stop being just hype and become risky. Multiple battle zones, dozens of new players, and a new power system that keeps taking rules on the top of rules. If MAPPA executes this correctly, this is not just enemy of the season. It could be enemy of the year. But here is the uncomfortable truth. The real danger is not animation, it's complexity. If the exposition is not visualized clearly, if the pacing slips even slightly, casual viewers will get lose their interest. Nail the balance and JJK dominates 2026. Miss it and the arc splits the fandom in half. Then comes the complete opposite energy. Frieren Beyond, Journeys and Season 2. This is not an enemy that shouts for its attention. It waits. And when it hits emotionally. Season 2 leans deeper into aftermath, legacy, time, and what power actually cost when the journey is already over. No artificial hype, no forced escalation. If you are expecting non-stop action, you are watching the wrong show. But if you want quite controlled emotional damage, Frieren might be the best thing you watch all year. Mid-January does not slow down, it tightens the pressure. Oshinoko dives deeper into the obsession and revenge. This is not idle drama anymore, it's psychological warfare inside the entertainment industry. Hell Paradise Season 2 raises the survival stakes, bigger threats, less mercy, and MAPPA once again testing how much their schedule can survive. Both series win or lose on focus, not animation. And before you think that's all, Fate Strange Fake brings control chaos to the Holy Grail War. Golden Kamuy reached its final chapter, no shortcuts, no compromises. Fire Force proves again that their sound design can carry impact. And Trigun Stargate shows why Studio Orange is refining CGI anime. January 26 is not a season. It's a stress test, high-octane chaos with JJK, quite emotional distraction with Frieren, psychological descent with Oshinoko. So now the question is simple, which one are you betting on? Drop your rankings in the comments, subscribe for weekly breakdowns, and remember, not all peak anime screams, some of it whispers. That's it.